Hi, I'm Kristen from AP Laser, and today we are going to be making DIY face shields. Now, these face shields are perfect for when you do not have access to emergency medical equipment. And the best part is that you can make them with a little bit of elastic and your standard office supplies. You are going to need this specific brand of laminating paper. This is Scotch Self-Seal laminating pouches. This is the right material to make the shields. So you're going to need one sheet of that. You are going to need two 1.5 inch strips cut from a full sheet of lamination paper. You're also going to need a stapler. This is 1 inch elastic. Yes, this is 1 inch elastic. Scissors and tape. And you might need a ruler. Professional guidelines indicate that the shield needs to be from above your forehead to below your chin and from ear to ear. So, the first thing you're going to do is get your lamination sheet and put that face down in front of you. And then you're going to take the two 1.5 inch strips, and you want to place them on the sheet of lamination. And then you're going to want to make sure that your 1.5 inch strips are wider at the top of your lamination sheet. So just angle them out just a little bit and make sure they're even. And then you're going to take your tape . Looks about right, and you're going to tape that right on there. Again, do your best to make sure that it's even and then that it's a little bit wider at the top. So tape those on there. Oops. So there you have it. You have your nice long piece of lamination paper. So the next thing you're going to want to do is take your 1 inch elastic and you're going to want to wrap it around your head. So I've already measured my head, and my head is about 23.7 inches around. And I'm just going to staple this together. Okay, so now we have our loop. So in order to find your ear, you want to fold the elastic in half, and then about right there in the center is where you're going to want to staple the first side of the elastic. And you want to staple it about 1 inch below the top. So get your stapler in there. You can angle it just slightly. And then you're going to want to keep that folded in half. And you're going to want to find the other ear. So this is our shield. Now we are just going to trim the corners just a little bit so you don't scratch yourself on the corner, the pointy corner. So there you have your finished face shield.